Oh, 3, 2, 1. Oh, hey. I didn't know it was gonna start already. It just said 3, 2, 1, so it started. I guess it did a countdown for me.
Hey y'all, got the behind the scenes.
I'm about to do my piercing. I did my finger piercing. It's a finger piercing. So I'm about to do it right here. Huh? It's a finger piercing, ain't it?
No, they have a name.
Oh, it's a microdermal. It's a microdermal surface piercing.
Microdermal.
Yep.
Surface
piercing. Finger piercing.
And we got
Finger piercing. Yeah, my needle. Got my needle. Let me crack this open.
You say microdermal piercing.
Your splendid daughter. Well, son.
I would say correct.
Look at him now.
Let me see that.
Look at this.
Oh, who did my hair?
Yeah, correct.
It's a boy that you have.
He's a girl now.
Excuse me. What you said?
Yeah.
He got her, what's your car taken off?
She.
He done got her thing taken off.
Oh, that's his boyfriend?
That's her husband.
Her husband?
Let me see. Oh my goodness. Thing is voluptuous. Oh God. Keep them things for baking.
She got breast thing and takes it what you come up, but that's my girl. I mean that's my boy. I'm telling you. He be like, he used to be like, please don't tell him, please.
Okay.
And I'll be like,
So, now I got my clamp too.
oh no, when he was little.
I'm putting my clamp on. I put my clamp on right.
You gotta make sure she's doing right. Also, your background might it could be a little louder than your audio.
Yeah, so I ain't got the right speakers and stuff.
I mean, both of them from Cherry Hill.
You got in there right? Alright.
I think that's right. That's not right.
The next. What size needle is this?
14 gauge.
She has a 14 gauge
Yeah, she
needle.
I know his boyfriend.
You know
And you know Corinne too,
his
right?
boyfriend?
Huh? Did you see the movie boyfriend?
The guy on the picture?
Yes.
You know
Cherry
him?
Hill. Oh,
Both of them
he's
Cherry Hill.
taking that thing up the butt. I found.
They've been together for 30 years almost. They did together in the county and everything.
Okay. Alright. So the clamp is on. So I would put the clamp on to see the
You
dots
said they married.
on each side.
Yep, 30 years.
But
DC got married a couple of years ago.
I'm gonna need
It's legal here in
hold,
Maryland too.
hold this up for me.
That's Florida?
They did it with it. I guess it wasn't legal.
Can you hold this
I
up
mean,
for me?
Merle didn't have the. They
Because
were,
Obama was the one who passed that law, right?
I don't know because Ross, my cousin Ross, and she did the same thing. She went to DC. And got her married.
Gotta do
Bro,
it.
I know. I had that lady, bro. She got dreads. Brown
You should
skin.
brush your hair.
You she got
Think
a
you should
sister
brush
and
your
brother,
hair.
Ashley and Jason.
They're him and all her brothers and sisters.
Oh, okay. I was about to say, why does Joy? That's Mikey uncle sister. Me, yeah, Mikey uncle sister. Her name is Rosamond. She did. You got it on the last thing? That help. You got it on this thing on the last thing, the clamp?
Yep.
I was got to focus on the clamp, the pain from the clamp. You didn't worry about the pain.
I don't feel no pain from the clamp. That's the problem.
And
And that
right
had
here.
two sheets?
Her son,
Maybe you should cover something.
her son do the motorcycles with milkweed.
Oh, you got it. Push it through. Push it through.
My driver.
What is right, Jelly?
Alright,
That's better.
you got it. You got it. I
There's
see
some
it.
tough
I see
skin,
it.
guys.
I think I see it. I see it. I see it. I see the metal part. Look at that. So,
She went to Florida. I said she went to Florida.
you got it, mommy.
Yeah, that's one of them.
How you doing?
Look,
Thank
no,
you.
wait, just sit there in this place.
you go. You got it in.
You can sit over here.
You got it in.
How you doing? How did that? But it must be hot outside.
Push it through, Mama.
I'm pushing it through.
Oh, it's stuck.
It's tough. It's tough. Like that's the hand is the most painful.
EJ.
That's why I just shove it through there.
Hi, Em. How you having fun with the wrong time?
Remember I told you.
It's through.
Oh, put it through there.
Right, I just put the ring on the other side, right?
Yeah. Put the bevel right through this side.
Right.
So you can pull it around. So you need to put it in the hole shell. Can you hold this?
I think you probably about to let that go now.
I can,
You
but
let that go now.
Yeah, cause you got it in there. You got it crossed.
it's moving.
It don't matter.
EJ. Now get your brother. Oh, you doing something?
I put it in here like this.
Yep.
Yeah. Tell your brother come here.
Alright. EJ!
You push it back.
Here, see.
No, I'm about to take that.
Take these off?
Yeah.
Hold on. As I said, that's.
Now, they talking about you want one of your things. No. Yes. EJ, come here.
Okay.
EJ. Say hi. Boy, nobody worry about you pressing dick. Say hi. Whatever, that's my name. EJ.
Hard coming out?
That is EJ.
Got it.
It's tough coming out.
Yes.
What's the progression?
Oh, so they sent me something. So they said, now it take 3 days.
I got
They
it.
sent me,
I got
I'm gonna have a closing in 3 days.
Ain't feel as bad as this one.
You know how they give you how much you gotta pay for the whole
Yeah,
month.
she
got it.
And all
Well.
that, and you gotta sign
Oh
for it to
yeah.
get it
Now
approved.
I do the
So,
ball.
What about
I read it up and
actually?
said,
Mine's
the next
when
step would be
Your
closing.
hands.
We'll see, but we're talking Florida, so.
Now,
Oh, get rid of the thing here.
Now
I
this
know about Florida. You
is
know.
the hard part. Let me tell you.
Yeah,
This is the hard part. Just getting it
I think
on
when you
there.
use your thing is pushing down against your skin.
It's gotta be close to my skin.
How you do it?
Well, it went a little smooth. I had some person. I told you I can't think of what is it? When they put those
Hold up for me. Yeah.
It's not who you with. I
You
did.
got it?
Why you don't put it on the thing, right?
Because it
I had first time.
it seems like it don't be.
It don't hurt? Doing that like that?
No, it don't hurt.
You gotta take the glove off.
Yeah.
I hate them big ass gloves.
Too
Yeah.
big.
All
Yeah.
paperwork like they're doing with you.
Uh-huh.
They check the inspections and all that.
I think they got
Well,
a
they did
apprenticeship
have to wait
for
for-
piercing
At first they said they did.
at the
Yeah,
piercing
first
shop
they
is
said
like
they
across from here.
have to wait for the VA.
We got apprentice for where?
At the piercing shop, I mean the tattoo shop for piercing, piercing, not talking about.
And so that's what they've been waiting for.
Hold it tight.
And so he just.
No, I need you to hold it tight. No, let go. Grab it.
You know this also tighten it too. You need to.
Really?
And so
How?
today it was like.
They don't even grip good enough.
Everything was going on and da-da-da. But it came from there.
That's why you bring it out.